G'day, it's Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. G'day guys, and I've got some interesting boxes to have a look at here. You know, I love opening things and finding what's in them and introducing you to some products. So first let's introduce you to the company. This company is called Green ESS. They actually make a lot more than just these small little packages here, which we're going to get into in a minute. They also make a full-sized BESS. Now, this doesn't exactly look like a full-size BESS. This is a Lego model of it. What a cool marketing idea. Basically, this is about, 1.4 meters high, about a meter wide, and inside it is a whole lot of battery modules. So you can get, I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, 25 kilowatt hours of storage in this unit, plus an inverter. It's got a hybrid inverter inside, 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter. I think they have bigger options coming, but very interestingly, on the left-hand side here, which is not visible in this unit, but as you'll see when we look at the full-size unit, they also have these modules, which are small battery packs that you can plug in and charge. Why would you want to do that? Before we get to that, let's get into these small battery modules. Now, what we've got inside here is 2 of the G4 battery packs. Let's get in here. It's always a bit of a challenge to work out what you open first. Oh, here we go. It's got instructions on how to open the package. Look at that. And inside here are 2 of the beautiful looking G4 battery modules. So let's get these out. Ooh. And we'll come to this component separately. So what's inside here? Oh, well, let's have a little look. Nothing else. So these are lithium ferrophosphate batteries, and it's called the G4. This unit is a 48 volt, 192 watt hour battery. So capable of being charged at 2 amps. It discharges at 4 amps continuously, but it can max out to over 12 amps. The unit itself weighs about 2.4 kilograms and it's IP67. So basically this is a weatherproof unit. It's rated for in excess of 2,000 cycles to 80% maximum depth of discharge, and it connects magnetically with the addition of other components to a range of e-products. The Jasper range. So it connects to the e-bike, which I've got here, the e-golf cart, which I've had to play with, the e-scooter, which I've had to play with, and many more. But it needs something else for full functionality and some additional features. And that's what this is. This is the Powerlink P. So, see if I can unbox this one. Looks like it's got a little bit of tape on it. Gonna have to get my pocket knife out. Okay, back with the pocket knife. There we go. Safety first, fold it up, and let's have a look. So inside here is the Powerlink and a little carry case. And you'll see what's important about the carry case in a minute. It has a very interesting system for tensioning up the carrying case. The little high tensile plastic cables here, when you turn the knob, tighten up on it. That means that what's inside here is very securely held, and that's kind of important, as you'll see in a minute. So we'll loosen those off. Here we go, and we'll unzip it to get to the Powerlink. So unzip this, and inside here is, normally the Powerlink is attached to the G4 battery, so it's not hard to get out, but this was in travel mode. So this is the Powerlink P. It takes a 48 volt input from this battery. So we just clip it on there, okay? And it gives a range of outputs on the top here, which includes a USB-C connection rated at 100 watts. You basically can run any laptop off this. It has USB-A as well. They're 20 watts each. And it has the ability to have a mag connector. Now, on this side here, these gold terminals, there's a magnet connector that goes onto here for any of those Jasper products, the e-bike, the e-scooter, the e-golf cart, etc. It also has a floodlight here. It's a 3.5 watt LED, and it even has a SOS mode if you kind of want to use it as an emergency beacon. The unit itself, this little bit on the top here, weighs 0.6 of a kilo. It's IP54, of course, because it's got USB ports. You're not going to sit it straight out in the weather. That's kind of what the case is for. So once you've connected this, and then you pop the whole unit into the case, and let's have a look here. The case has a little flap on the bottom. It's important to orientate the magnetic connector port for your products, your e-bike, etc. Orientate it to here. So we'll pop that in. So it lines up. Then we can zip up the case. We can hook it on here. Then we can tension it like this. And now we have a little battery pack with a flap that you can attach to any of the suitable products. So for instance, the e-bike velcros it on, the e-scooter velcros it on, and the e-golf cart actually has a slot this battery fits into. Then you've got the mag connector here, which there's a cable on the e-bike, e-scooter, etc. that just clips on here and is held magnetically. The reason for the magnetic connection is partly safety too. If something happens, like you have a crash on your bike and this thing kind of moves around, it's not going to rip a connector off. It's going to just disconnect magnetically perfectly safely and not damage anything. So that's a really nice feature, but it's a pretty strong magnet, so it won't fall off going over bumps, and I've tested it. So there you go, Green ESS. Now Green ESS do more than just make those products. They also have an app. The app is pretty cool, so I'll show it up here. You can monitor your devices, and the G4 battery, for instance, you can see its state of charge when it's plugged into the Green ESS all-in-one BESS. So there's going to be some ports here that you plug up to 12 of these battery modules into. That's pretty cool. They also have a benefit scheme which comes with a little card. If I can open this, so you get credits. You get green credits. Here we go. This carbon fiber, beautiful looking little card is where you store the credits from your system based on its support for various features. Now, it's something still I've yet to learn about, so maybe I'll cover that in a separate video, but it's a pretty cool idea. So you actually have a credit system associated with giving you some benefits for the use of your battery system. So there you go. That's the Green ESS, a G4 battery, and Powerlink P. Thanks for watching. Check it.